Exactly. This is the Cabela grinder, the carnivore one, and the Cabela mixer. Now I'm mixing some meat over here, and I found no video online about pairing these two. Cabela advertising this, but they are not showing anything how to operate and how to install them. Let me give you a tour of what's happening over here. We have the carnivore. Not the biggest one is the 22, not the 32. The biggest one is like you can put the whole animal inside, basically. This one too. This one is a beast too. Is extremely powerful, super powerful. One more thing that this one comes with is with the pedal, and the pedal is very useful because on how fast this one is grinding the meat, you want to have the second hand to add on top. Giving you more information, even if right now I'm using the carnivore, the grinder, just for the motor to mix to do the mix of the meat over here. So let me give you a tour first on the grinder. Forward speed, reverse. Reverse is just temporary. You have to just to hold it. Goes back. Forward, you can leave it on. It has just one speed. I feel like the next generation should have multiple speeds, because even if with the pedal, it stops. The pedal basically what it does, it takes the power off. So you have it's on off. You don't care. You are not able to move to change the speed. It can be an improvement to have the speed controller over here. This one comes with the tray. The tray is not here because again, it's about using it with the mixer. This tray here, it's nice because you can keep different accessories to it. There is a fuse over there. Then let's go on this one, the mixer. This one is the 50 pounds or 25 pounds. 25 pounds, I guess. Yeah. Now I have 5 kilograms of meat inside. But it takes way more. As you can see, this is 5 kilograms. Basically, I would not put like pretty much maximum on top, fill it up, because it will go over. This one comes also with a lid, which I can use it. I can put it over there, and then let me tell you more about the mixer. The mixer is heavy duty stainless steel over here. The construction of both equipments, fantastic. Everything I had from Cabela's in terms of commercial equipment, I was so surprised because they are so well made. As you can see, it's commercial grade. Let's move a little bit on how I set everything up. You see, there are some feet over here. They're adjustable. When you buy the thing, it come with this small wrench. This one is very helpful because once you align the height, you're not gonna use it anymore. Even so, this one, bam, goes over there. So simple. Then aligning it. As you can see, there is no gap over here. And I suggest you to take this in consideration because it has to be pretty much attached. It will not detach because on the back there is a pin. You are screwing it and it pretty much tightens the connection in between them. This is how it operates. As you can see, there are not so many vibrations over here. Noise is acceptable. I'm pretty much like 2 feet behind it. Now I touch it, so I'm so close of it. You can hear my voice, I'm so sure. Yeah, this is what's happening. You can use the grinder, the mixer, sorry, also with this guy here, with the handle. But seriously, you will understand because the gears over here you have to make to be so fast. It will take you a lifetime. to mix 10 kilograms of meat by yourself with this one. It will work, of course, it will work because they advertise it like that, and I believe them. I tried for a few minutes, and then I said, no, you know, I'm gonna use the carnivore because I had it already. So this is what's happening. In terms of operating it, it's, you have to help it a little bit because some of the meat remains on the wall, but not a big deal. It's happening on other equipment as well. This is what it is. Let me go a little bit back to give you a more view. Another cool stuff about this one, it can stay like that, and over here they have some knobs. This one, and I can flip the whole bucket forward so everything can fall in a whatever you want, in a container. This one over here, and this one is used if you want to take this one off. I'm going to take it off and wash it afterwards. There are two safety screws over here, one over here and one over here, with two brackets that hold the same thing in place. There are some clips over there, and that's it. Not too much to say about the construction. Because as I mentioned, everything is so sturdy and so well built, both of them. This is how you tilt and how you rotate the whole thing over here. As I mentioned, there are 5 kilograms. Look how it looks like. This one was mixed the meat for about I would say 15 minutes, probably 10 minutes. Yeah, so this is how it is. Taking all the meat. Probably I'm gonna take them with some with the spatula, some other with the gloves. That's how I tilt it. From here I'm gonna take this one out, and I'm gonna wash this the tub. And one more part into all this, you know, is about cleaning the equipment. Sometimes it's a struggle. You get an equipment, you know, you enjoy working with it, but when it's about washing it, it's a whole hassle, a whole project, you know. This one is pretty easy because you have two screws over here to take out, and then the whole thing, the whole tub gets out. This one, it's separate, so you can take this one first. You can wash just this one and leave this one in place and take it afterwards. Pretty easy. Of course, you need a big sink. So a big sink, probably it's a mandatory stuff to have before having this one, because you have to wash it, you know. Another thing I want to mention, because this is so big, and I use it right now just for 5 kilograms of meat, I would say that you have to do bigger quantities just to worth the whole shebang. And I mean putting everything together and also cleaning the equipment. So next time, definitely, this is the first time using the mixer with with just 5 kilograms of meat. So yeah, more efficiency, more meat, more efficiency. That's how it looks without the auger inside. So now it's empty. There are two things over here, just to not have the meat sticking on the walls. It sticks anyway, but I guess this one helps. And now this one goes in this side. You see? And from here I have to put this stuff and put the auger into the hole. Super easy to assemble. And then check this out. This is one, and of course you're gonna do it way faster than me right now. I'm doing it with one hand, but yeah. And this is how you secure the whole tub here. Easy, easy and easy. I hope you enjoy it and it brings you something valuable in your life, learning more about this one. Ask me questions. I will do also other videos using these two machines with something else, you know, pairing them differently.